Hello there! Today I will show you how you can get assessed for various job roles through this AI-powered graduate placement service. Here you will create an account. You will need to fill out your details in the registration form as accurately as possible. Remember, do not share your password with anyone. Once you are done, log in with your credentials and a portal will open up in front of you. Click on a new application and select the job role you are interested in getting assessed for. You can apply for other job roles later on as well. Remember, applying for multiple job roles opens more opportunities for you. Answer all the questions till the end. You can now log out or apply for other roles by clicking the back button. Recruiters will be able to see your compatibility assessment results and may now reach out to you. Good luck!